How to uninstall Kindle. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can uninstall this application. First of all, navigate to the place where this application is located. Now simply tap and hold on to it. Here on the top, you can see this eye icon. Tap on this eye icon. So now we're in this app info. So in my case, I have done it like this. So you can directly go to your settings in your phone and go to the app info of Kindle 2. Now here on the bottom, you'll be able to see uninstall. Simply tap on uninstall. Now before uninstalling this application, make sure you have your ID and password saved, because later if you install it, you might need it. Now simply tap on OK. So it will take some time, and as you can see, it has been completely removed. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.